If you are struggling in sentence correction and you do not enjoy doing or solving grammar question, this video is for you. This video will give you the detailed information about sentence correction, syllabus of sentence correction, study materials, and step-by-step learning. At the end, you will get to know the shortcuts, tips, and tricks to overcome the challenges of sentence correction. So here we go. These are some steps that you should follow before you begin solving sentence correction question. Step 1, know what is the syllabus of sentence correction question. Step 2, collect study materials. Step 3, make a study plan. Step 4, focus on concept or solidify your concept. Step 5, do practice as much as possible. Step 6, make an error log and check where do you struggle. Step 7, join any forum or any social platform where sentence correction is discussed. Step 8, do a regular mock test and sectional test and make an error log to check now what more you need to do. Now, let us understand everything in detail. First, syllabus of sentence correction mainly is test your knowledge of subject-verb agreement, pronoun, tenses, parallelism, modifier, comparisons, and idioms. If you do not enjoy sentence correction or you do not enjoy reading grammar, then first you should go with Wren and Martin grammar book. It has detailed information about grammar. However, there is some advanced version of grammar too, and that is called SC Manhattan. SC Manhattan discusses all the topics in short with detailed information. So for foundation of grammar, you can follow either Wren and Martin or SC Manhattan. And after that, you can go with SC Aristotle. SC Aristotle gives you the shortcuts, strategies, and explanation of all the concepts that we have discussed. The concepts are subject-verb agreement, modifier, parallelism, comparison, pronoun, tenses, and idioms. Finally, for practice, you can do some official guides if you are preparing for GMAT. So GMAT official guide, if you are preparing for other exams, other official guide can be followed. Now it's a time for study plan. Divide your study plan in 3 parts. First, work on basic understanding. Second, work on concept. And third, work on practice and error log. So the first part will cover basic information about grammar. Second part should cover what is concept, what is tested in concept, and how to apply a strategy in concept. And step 3 should be to work on the implementation of those concepts. Next step is practice, practice, and practice. Remember, practice makes a man perfect, and it applies in sentence correction too. The more you do practice, the better you can be in sentence correction. Therefore, after each practice, analyze your mistake. Understand why you got a question wrong and the underlying rule or concept you missed. Second, review the explanation even for the question you got right to ensure you choose the correct answer for the right reason. Then make an error log. Do the set of questions 10 at one time and then make an error log. Error log should include what is the weakest section, what is the strongest section, or what are the areas where you are making error again and again. So error log is very important and it will give you the insight of your preparation. Done with. Now do the practice under timer. One sentence correction question should take 1 minute, but initially you can give 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Later you can give 2 minutes. After that 1 minute and then reduce it to 30 seconds. Once you start practicing under timer, you will be able to analyze yourself better and you will know the depth of it. If possible, join any online forums. Remember, platforms for GMAT, CAT, and GRE or some other topics are always available. You can go on search and find out what are the common platforms or free platforms available. You can join that and you can discuss your doubts because those forums are joined by some good students too and some learners too, and they give the insight of your preparation so you may understand what is your thought process behind sentence correction and what is other thought process of sentence correction. In between, you can find out the solution, what is right thought process. So once you're done, then keep on taking full mock test. Remember, full mock test is real insight of your preparation. So when you are preparing with the full insight, you will be able to understand better and then you will be able to solve your question better or you will be able to work on your error log. At the end, for sentence correction, 3 important tips to solve. Tips 1, without concept, do not solve the question. Step 2, whatever concept you are learning, first try to apply it. Check your implementation and then do the practice with the timer, because real result comes when you do under timer, because the pressure gives you reality, and under pressure, if you are improving or you are giving the good accuracy, then it is a good practice. This is all about your sentence correction preparation. If you want to know more shortcuts or you want expert ideas, you can join us.